Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create your own assignments. You can do this when you're creating an assignment to put in your own Google Classroom. This is exactly the same way that you will share documents on the teacher's desk for ELA and math so that all of your colleagues can benefit by just reusing assignments instead of having to create them over and over and over. So here's what you do. You go into your Google Classroom, or you can go into the teacher's desk if you just want to share it there. Either way, it'll look exactly like this. You'll click create, and then you can decide what it is. Are you creating an assignment, a quiz, a discussion board type question, material that you just want to share? This is only for things that you're just going to read, but you're not going to interact with these. Am I going to reuse a post from somewhere else? So maybe you already have something in your own Google Classroom and you're thinking, oh, I should have shared this with the team. You can do it right here by clicking reuse post. And I'm sending you a separate video on how to do that. And a topic just means that you're creating another topic like Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, whatever it is that helps sort these out on our screen. Okay, so let's say I'm just going to post some material that I want my students to read, or I'm going to share it with my teachers, and it's going to be on Writing Workshop. And I'm going to say, this is a graphic for you to study. You will respond in the next assignment, however you want to say that to the group. And then I'm going to add something to it, and I have to decide what I want it to be. Do I want it to be from Google Drive? Do I already have a link ready to go that I can just push Control C and glue it in? Do I have a file that I can link off of Microsoft or Google, or do I have YouTube? So I'm going to say it's in my Google Drive. And if you're lucky, it's something you opened recently and it will just pop up in your recents. If it doesn't, you can search for it, or you can open your drive and go to the folder that you want to use. I'm going to look for mine, and I'm going to say it's in my Writing Workshop folders, somewhere in there, and I'll see what pops up. And I'm going to say this is the piece I want to use. So I'm going to click it. Notice it turns blue, and I get this blue line at the bottom that says Insert. And there it is. So now when I assign this, my students can read it and I can share it with other people. So I'm going to post it. Remember that with material, that's all you can do. That's that one that looks like a book page with a bookmark on it. It's just simply reading materials. Now that I have that, I can click on it and I can drag it down. If it doesn't let me do that, I'm going to refresh. Usually it's not a problem, but I think on Screencastify it might be, but it will let me drag it in just a second. So then I'm going to put it exactly where I want it on my screen. Now I can drag it down. And yep, I want them to do this activity and now this one, and that's where it is. Thank you.